Hey everyone, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to pin apps to the taskbar. Pinning apps is a nifty trick that can save you time and give you a quick access to your favorite programs. Let's dive right in. To start, locate the app you want to pin to the taskbar. You can find it in your start menu or your desktop. Next, simply right-click on the app's icon. A context menu will pop up with various options. In the context menu, look for the Pin to Taskbar option and left-click on it. Great! Now if you look at your taskbar, you'll see the app's icon pinned there, ready to be used with just one click. You can repeat these steps for any other apps you want to pin to the taskbar. It's an excellent way to organize your most used programs for easy access. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful in customizing your taskbar and making it more efficient. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to pin apps to the taskbar. See you on my next video. Happy computing!